admit, I'm not perfect. In fact, I'm quite stubborn. Once my family went to Stanley Park when I was a kid, and there used to be a zoo there. My parents wanted to go while I wanted to stay at the swings in the playground. In a large crowd, I decided to leave. I got lost and started crying near an outdoor theater. An older lady noticed me and asked me about my parents. I told her they were at the zoo, and maybe 30 minutes later, my frantic parents and I meet up thanks to the older lady. We were at Harrison Hot Springs, which we don't go to often because it was far away from our house. The pool was full, and the next session was going to be about 3 hours later. My dad thought it was too long a wait, and I was looking forward to swimming, so I had a meltdown. I watched my dad leave with my mom and sister in the car. A second family was there, and they were able to squeeze me into their car to go home. That moment changed my life. I recall my parents abandoning me as a 5-year-old. I was alone. I also went on my own during a church picnic at Alouette Lake. I was gone for 3+ hours with major search parties looking for me. I was not lost, but went for a walk alone. I was never afraid of being alone, and that has stayed with me all my life. Going alone on vacations, work-related trips, days off being alone, and even living alone in Europe. One thing about my 3-hour walk, I knew my way back. I've had the gift of being able to find a destination without getting completely lost.